In this section, we are going to take a look at exceptions handling in Python. An exception is an event which occurs during the execution of the script that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. And we've seen this a handful of times throughout the course, where we get the red text of death in the Python interpreter. We saw these errors in our numbers section when we got a zero division error. We saw it in our list and tuples section where we got an index error, and we also saw it in our dictionary section where we got a key error when we tried to find a value in a dictionary that did not exist. Exception handling allows the program to detect and respond to errors that occur during execution. We've seen that we've been writing our scripts line by line, but when we execute our code, we might get an error at line 3, and this could be one of the errors that we've seen so far. The script then crashes and exits, and the rest of the script is not complete. Exceptions handling allows you to handle these errors gracefully. When a Python script raises an exception, it must handle the exception immediately, otherwise it will terminate and quit. We are going to see that we can use the try and except statements to catch our exceptions, to catch our errors, which will enable the script to run to completion. Handling exceptions is an important part of programming. I'm going to keep the examples very simple and basic, and we will take a look at some GIS use cases at the end of the section. I have put a placeholder in your reference workbook for each error that you can encounter with the standard Python library. Most of them have a brief description, but I encourage you to fill in this workbook as you meet these exceptions throughout your Python adventure.